Hi everyone and greetings. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to download your Google PowerPoint so that students or those from the outside can access your document. This is really important, especially as we have back to school night, to have accessibility to these documents since outsiders cannot get into our Google Drive environments. So simply, if you just go to File, Download, you can download in a variety of different formats. You can download it in Microsoft PowerPoint, you can download it as a PDF, you can even download it as image items as well. For this one, we're going to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. But note, when you download as a Microsoft PowerPoint, some of your fonts may change, as well as some of your features may change as a part of it. If you don't want anything to change, you can always download it as a PDF document. So for this one, we're going to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. So in doing this, let's go ahead. You'll see it come down here to the bottom part of your screen, and it's named the same as what you present at the top. Simply to open it as a PowerPoint, click on here, and the document will now open as a PowerPoint. You can see there's a wide variety of items that will be a part of your PowerPoint. Make sure all your links are working, as well as all of your images are in the right place. As I said, downloading from Google Slides sometimes changes the format of your PowerPoints. And that's it.